Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs here, and today we have a video showing you a step-by-step guide how to add a MP4 file and convert it to go onto the tiny circuit kit. This is the kit that you would need, and we have done a video about this, how to install it onto the Knight Rider build, a step-by-step guide on how to add the tiny video player kit. Unfortunately, it could have been because of that video that it is sold out, so I know many of you have bought this kit. From this kit you will need these files. These are the files that you will need, so you will go to our website and you will click on this. So these are the boxes, the STL files, and in this you will receive a converter app, and the video will be in here as well. So that's the Knight Rider pack that you would need for that kit, but I'm showing you how to add more video clips to this actual pack. So let's get on with that. So here you will see the files that you would have to download from our website, and here you have the actual TSV converter app, and you would need to open that. Open the application, open file, and we have it's just this one. So this is the Pac-Man theme with Space Invaders. I'm doing a 80s theme with a hopefully a joystick from the Atari. So what you would need is just click converted. This is an MP4 file, so I've actually made a template on how it would look into the vehicle. So it's two screens. Press convert file. You can see that it's just converting right now. Okay, it's done now. So you will see if you press open folder, it's just here. The TSV file you will need to transfer to a SD card. So let's just get that ready. So our SD card has been inserted. It's gone onto the E drive. I suggest you to format it, make sure that it's the correct drive, otherwise you can format something that you don't want. So it's FAT32, click start. Are you sure? Yes we are. And that's formatted. I'll close that application. Now we would need a settings file. So through this you can see settings. Right click, copy, go to E drive and paste the settings there. The settings is when you insert the card into the tiny circuit board, it will play automatically. So from there, let's just go to, and this is the tiny circuit TSV file. So again, copy and paste, and now we have our SD card ready. So let's now insert this into our tiny circuit board. So this is our tiny circuit board, and with your one you won't have this back, so you would have to print this out from the files from our website, and just it's a holder to go onto the dashboard for the Knight Rider kit build. I've attached my speaker to the back of this. So this is the SD card we have just prepared, and insert that. Now I'm going to just switch my board on, and there you go. See if I could get some better. This is the Pac-Man I would look. Now I was going to try and make a series 3 and 4 dashboard, but I may still do. But just to give you a rough idea, you would have double screen there. So yeah, you can see that's how it's working. So that's how you would need to add your own video files to this mod. So hopefully that helped you out, and yeah, if you could hit that like and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.